Hi, I'm Addison Carnes, and I'm going to give you a narrated PowerPoint using Dell Webcam Central. Let's see if this works. Okay, for my Technology and Standards project, I'm going to talk to you about Abet, the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology, Incorporated. Their motto is assuring quality and stimulating innovation. Now, Abet is a nonprofit private sector organization with no government affiliation whatsoever. Now, their objective is to provide accreditation for colleges and university programs, specifically programs, not university or colleges as a whole. And they focus on 4 specific programs: applied science, computing, engineering, and engineering technology. Now, they accreditate more than 3,400 programs in about 700 schools in 28 countries. And ABET is recognized by the Council for Higher Education Accreditation, or CHIA. And ABET was originally created in 1932 as the Engineers Council for Professional Development. It was established by 7 engineering organizations: the American Society for Civil Engineers, the American Institution of Mining and Metallurgical Engineers, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, the American Institute of Electrical Engineers, the Society for the Promotion of Engineering Education, the American Institution of Chemical Engineers, and the National Council of State Boards of Engineering Examiners. Now, ABET has 4 types of accreditation commissions. The first is the Applied Science Accreditation Commission, or ASAC, Computing Accreditation Commission, or CAC, the Engineering Accreditation Commission, EAC, and the Engineering Technology Accreditation Commission, or ETAC, which is what I'll be talking about. Although I forgot to mention that it wasn't until 1980 that ABET got its name officially. Now, the ETAC has 8 specific accreditation criteria. I'm going to go ahead and just read straight from their website regarding these criteria. Number 1 are students. Student performance must be evaluated. Student progress must be monitored to foster success in attaining student outcomes, thereby enabling graduates to attain program educational objectives. Students must be advised regarding curriculum and career matters. Number 2 is the program educational objectives. Now, the program must have published program educational objectives that are consistent with the mission of the institution, the needs of the program's various constituencies, and these criteria. There must be a documented, systematically utilized, and effective process involving program constituencies for the periodic review of these program educational objectives that ensures they remain consistent with the institution mission and the program's constituent needs and these criteria. You can go on and on, but these are very, very specific. The student outcomes, measuring the performance of these students. The continuous improvement, implementing plans for improving the school, the program specifically. The curriculum, outlay different courses and the objectives of these courses. The faculty, the teachers must have certain accreditation in their degrees. Facilities, they must have space and equipment provided for these classes. Institutional support, funding and such for these facilities and equipment. Now, my own personal account involving ABET accreditation came in 2012. I was first told when I enrolled at ETSU, my major was engineering technology, and when I chose my concentration, I found that there was a new one called product development, and I was told that it would be accredited in 2012 and I would be grandfathered into accreditation. Also scheduled for accreditation in 2012 was biomedical engineering technology. In 2012, product development was removed from its candidacy for accreditation because there were problems with faculty. There were insufficient number of faculty members because many of these faculty members were serving in both programs, and ABET accreditation prevented this. So there are more students in the biomedical engineering technology program, so it was selected for ABET accreditation candidacy. It was approved, but now product development will no longer be will be resubmitted for candidacy in 2012. But in the meantime, I graduated with an undergraduate degree that was not accredited, so I went on and got my master's in engineering technology, which of course was accredited. So now I'm trying to get my doctorate, which I guess it's accredited. So just a little bit about ABET accreditation. So hopefully the sound quality was a little bit better this time using Dell Webcam Central. Thank you very much. I'm Madison Grimes.